Hello guys, again I come back to share the another concept of your file handling, that is your CSV file, which is stand for your comma separated value. So guys, what is actually the meaning of your CSV? That CSV, which is as a comma separated value, totally organizational working environment data sharing is one of the major tasks to be carried out largely through the spreadsheet and database. So guys, only the CSV file we can use to create the data through the spreadsheet or Excel sheet or any database. CSV is a simple flat file in the human readable format which is extensively used to store the tabular of the data in a spreadsheet or database. The CSV file stores tabular data that contains only the number and text in a plain text. Files in the CSV format can be imported to and exported from the programs that store data in a table such as Microsoft Excel or open any Office packages. Each line in a file is known data and record. Each record consists of one or more fields separately by commas is also known as the delimiter, which we have already discussed about the delimiter in your text file or binary files. The most commonly used delimiter in a CSV file is usually denoted as a comma symbol. Now we have to know what is the uses of your CSV file. So CSV file commonly used because they are easy to read and manage, where it is the human readable concept. Small in size, fast to process and transport the data from one system to another system as a file format. Because of this silent feature, it's frequently used for a software applications or online e-commerce stores to mobile apps to the desktop site. What is the advantages of your CSV file? The CSV file is faster to handle a file. It is smaller in size and processed by almost all existing applications. Then CSV file handling in the file concept. What is the CSV file handling in the file concept? In Python, it is on a built module called CSV. It is used to read and write as a tabular data from the CSV format, which is stored inside your file. To read and write CSV file, we must import first the CSV modules. Open functions, which is a built-in functions already defined in the Python to open the file. Like similarly, you can use the CSV file, the predefined functions, that is open functions, which we can open the CSV file and return the file object. Import CSV like other files like text files and binary files in the Python to basic operations that can be carried out on the CSV file, that is your reading from the CSV file and writing from the CSV file. So now guys, we have to know how we just reading the data inside the file through the CSV file. So how we will reading the data? Reading from CSV file is done using the reader object, which is defined inside the Python. The CSV file is opened as a text file with Python built-in open functions which returns a file object. This creates as a special type of object to access the CSV file, that is your reader object, or you can say that is your file reader functions. Also use the next line directly on it to read that next line of the CSV file. If you are using reading concept through the CSV file, first of all you open the file through the open functions and accessible to the data is a reader functions which is available inside the Python for accessing the reading from the data through the CSV file. The first line is the header and remaining lines are data and records. So guys, look here, I just given one examples how you can reading the file data from the CSV file. So first of all, you import the modules, that is your import CSV. After that, you can open simply when you are using like text file and binary file, simply you can use open functions to open the file, that is file name is your student.csv with a mode, that is reading mode. Then next line you can look here the CSV reader, which is a method or functions you can accessible for reading the data from the CSV file, which is already defined inside the Python. So CSV reader equal to CSV reader from the file object. So file object here is denoted as F. So you can just go through one by one line to read the file whole content. So you can use the looping system or the iterating system. So for accessible as a row manner, so for row in the CSV reader, then print the row. After all the work is completed, we all know that one, we can close the file simply with the object of your file, that is f.close. Next is your guys writing to a CSV file. So write in a CSV file in Python, you use csv.writer functions like reader functions. These functions return a writer object that converts the user data into a delimited string. That means you can just write the object that converts to the user into a delimited string, and string can be used to write into a CSV file through the write row functions or write row methods. In write row methods, it will be accessible as a list of field to the file. It can be string or numbers or both. When use this, we need to add a new line character to indicate the end of the line, which already we have to know in the text file, that is your EOL, that is end of the line. So guys, look here, I just given one simple examples here. Simply you can import your file, that is CSV file, then you just created as a list of your fields, that is name, class, year and percentage. You can insert the rows. I just inserted the 3 rows, that is Rohit, and class is your 12th, the year of passing is 2003, percentage is 92. Like that, I just entered another 2 rows, then I just given the file name as a CSV file. So I store the file name like marks.csv. Now I just go through, open the file of that marks.csv. So simply we can open like text file and binary file, open file name with mode name, enter the new line to reading or writing a line by line the data inside the file. So simply I can use the CSV dot write row methods. So the delimiter is used here, then I accessible the field, then I just go to round off as a iteration to calculate each and every lines or files to readable. That's why I am using here the iterating process for I in rows to accessible CSV dot write row functions with your row which is accessible to as a iteration process like then I just created the files. So guys, this is your whole about the concept of your CSV file. CSV files is very advantageous to uses and accessible the data through the file handling. It is very easily manageable or readable as a human concept. So today this is your total topic of your CSV file. So guys, that much is this. Thank you.